How to search for random live videos on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to search for random live videos on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is to head over to Instagram. And once you're in here, just scroll to the left right here. So let's swipe. And as you can see right here, if you open this, it will proceed to your story. But just scroll this button right here and you'll see the live. So just click on this live right here and start it. So as you can see right here, and from there, as you can see, the live video has ended. So what you need to do is to just click on this discard media. Click on discard right here. Now as you can see, it's been discarded. So what we need to do next is to just click on our inbox icon up here and then search or refresh our feed and then click on the friend that we have sent that live video into. So so just click on the watch more right here. So as you can see, this is the video, and as you can see, we have now watched more. So let's click that again. As you can see, the live video is ended. So if you scroll down, you will also see some videos or live videos that other people has started. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to search for random live videos on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!